Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring a unique and nutritious beverage, okra water. You might be surprised to learn about the incredible health benefits that come from this humble vegetable. Not only will we discuss what happens to your body when you drink okra water, but we also share how to prepare it at home. Let's get started. 1. Supports healthy blood sugar levels. One of the most significant benefits of okra water is its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that okra contains compounds that can slow down sugar absorption in the intestines, making it a great option for those managing diabetes or looking to maintain stable blood sugar levels. 2. Aids digestion. Okra is rich in soluble fiber, which can help support a healthy digestive system. Drinking okra water may alleviate constipation and promote regular bowel movements. The mucilage in okra helps to soothe the intestinal lining, making it easier for your body to process food and absorb nutrients. 3. Rich in antioxidants. Okra is packed with antioxidants, including flavonoids and polyphenols. These compounds help protect your cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. Regular consumption of okra water can boost your overall health by reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. 4. Promotes heart health. The nutrients in okra water can also support cardiovascular health. It has been found to lower cholesterol levels, particularly LDL cholesterol, while increasing HDL cholesterol. This balance is crucial for reducing the risk of heart disease and maintaining a healthy heart. 5. Boosts immunity. Okra is rich in vitamin C, which is vital for a strong immune system. Drinking okra water can help bolster your body's defenses against infections and illnesses. The antioxidants in okra also play a role in reducing inflammation, further supporting immune health. 6. Supports sexual health in men. Okra water may also be beneficial for men's sexual health. It contains nutrients that can enhance libido and improve sexual function. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants and vitamins in okra can help increase testosterone levels and improve overall reproductive health, making it a great addition to a balanced diet for men. 7. Supports weight loss. If you're looking to shed a few pounds, okra water can be a great addition to your diet. It's low in calories and high in fiber, which can help you feel fuller for longer. This can reduce cravings and unnecessary snacking, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. 8. Improves skin health. The antioxidants and vitamins found in okra water can have a positive effect on your skin. Vitamin C helps promote collagen production, which is essential for skin elasticity and firmness. Drinking okra water may also help hydrate your skin and reduce signs of aging. 9. Enhances eye health. Okra contains essential nutrients that are beneficial for eye health, including vitamin A and beta-carotene. Regularly drinking okra water can help protect your eyes from damage caused by free radicals and support overall vision health. 10. Regulates cholesterol levels. As mentioned earlier, okra water can help manage cholesterol levels. The soluble fiber in okra binds to cholesterol in the digestive system, preventing its absorption and promoting its excretion. This action can lead to improved heart health and reduced cholesterol levels over time. 11. Helps with menstrual health. Okra is rich in vitamins and minerals that can support menstrual health. Drinking okra water may help alleviate menstrual cramps and discomfort due to its anti-inflammatory properties. It can also provide essential nutrients that may be beneficial during your menstrual cycle. 12. Supports bone health. Okra is a good source of calcium and magnesium, both of which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Regular consumption of okra water can contribute to better bone density and overall skeletal health. 13. May improve mood. Some studies suggest that okra may have mood-enhancing properties. The nutrients in okra water, particularly its antioxidants and vitamins, can help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, contributing to improved mental well-being. How to prepare okra water. Now that you know about the amazing benefits of okra water, let's talk about how to prepare it at home. It's simple and only requires a few ingredients. Ingredients: 4 to 5 fresh okra pods, 2 cups of water, optional lemon juice or honey for flavor. Instructions: wash okra. Start by washing the okra pods thoroughly to remove any dirt or impurities. Cut off the ends of the okra pods. You can also slice them in half to increase the surface area for infusion. Soak in water. Place the okra pods in a bowl and add 2 cups of water. Let them soak overnight, or for at least 8 hours. This allows the nutrients and mucilage to leach into the water. After soaking, strain the okra pods from the water. You can discard the pods or add them to your meals for extra fiber. Add flavor. Optional. If you prefer, add a splash of lemon juice or a teaspoon of honey for added flavor. Serve. Drink the okra water on an empty stomach in the morning or throughout the day for maximum benefits. Are there any risks? While okra water is generally safe for most people, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. If you have kidney stones or a history of kidney issues, it's best to consult your doctor before adding okra water to your routine, as it contains oxalates that can contribute to stone formation. Additionally, if you're allergic to okra or related plants, avoid consuming it altogether. Moderation is key, as excessive consumption of okra may lead to digestive discomfort. So there you have it. Drinking okra water every day can offer a range of health benefits, from supporting blood sugar and heart health to boosting your immune system and improving skin health. It's a nutritious and easy-to-make beverage that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. Let me know in the comments if you've tried okra water before or if you're excited to give it a shot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.